07 and up Honda CRV dash removal. You're gonna want to unclip this first. Easiest place I found was right under where my clips are located. Pry forward. Once you got that out, that's going to expose those two 8mm screws here and here. We're going to unclip from here. Pull that vent out. Right above the AC vents. Now your AC vent should pull forward. Then we're going to remove the hazard button. Pull up from the back side and lift forward. Looks like the corners can get stuck a little. Right in here. Put a pry in the middle and then work from the middle to the outside. Alright, two more. Those are 8mm or Phillips head. Two top, two at the bottom. And radio removal is it. Alright, main radio harness, antenna adapter, and steering wheel controls. We're going pin 6, pin 7, pin 6 brown, pin 7 pink. This puts us right here on these two. Just counting our pin out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brown, 7 pink. Alright, so we're using the idatalink maestro for the steering wheel controls. That's fully programmable. Blue, yellow stripe, because we're doing a Kenwood JVCs. Use the blue, yellow wire. Steering wheel controls 1 and 2. We'll go brown SW1 and SW2.